Understand, 7 west down the yard, thanks, sir. 20 are approach diversion. Narlo, Florida, 25 mile per hour, main 1D265-3 out. Give me a light here shortly, as soon as I can. Central. Southeast wire right now, I got trains lined up. Alright, D-mile post. Number 83909-8040914. Location BE164.0, Ploy Wagner. Circle line 1A, operate main, southeast wide, north direction. NAS Desher, main track, EAS East Desher, southeast leg of the Y, southeast wide track. Circle line 4, 0915 hours, 040914. What's going on? Clear got 224108 out. 40914. I'm hit all this. See you. Okay, effective 0845 NDV. Yo, I got a little work I'd like to try to do on number 1 track between Cary and Spring. I'll look to get it for...
So clear west Fostoria going to the northwest transfer 272 way down.
Good, then I'll give that back up. I'm going to try to get one, if I can today. Found at a, poking around at a road crossing here, US 23, and,
Number 2 to 1 into the northwest entering employed Veterans Work Authority Q27208 out.
I'll see you over there. I gotta get that from you. That paper you gave Marcus gave me the paper, Tommy, and I think, I don't know if I left it in my truck and my truck's in the shop. Sounds good. I probably missed it. Yeah, I've got it back in the room. You want to make another paper before we get to the car. I'm sorry, see you again.